Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's a beautiful day and I've decided to go to Wilkinson, which is Wilko, here in the UK. It's a shop that I find a lot of bargains, great quality items. I'm just going to shop around and I want you to come with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Guys, they've got like air fryers. I saw a coffee machine. The price is just incredible, better than outside eBay, and the quality is great as well. And it's just such a great experience shopping in there. I like the way things are displayed and stuff as well, the way things are organized. It's a fairly sort of a medium-sized store, quite large. But yeah, I saw this coffee machine here, and I was about to buy, but I've got my old one. I probably need to put on eBay. Before I go and buy some. And I saw this water filter, and I was like, oh no, for £7, amazing. Mine I bought from Tesco for £24. Obviously it's to do with the capacity as well. Mine is fairly large, but yes, they've got a lot of great things for the kitchen, for the home overall, and the prices are fantastic. Guys, I was lost for choices here because just spoiled for choices in here. I had to get some stain remover, some fabric conditioner. They've got loads, they've got their own brand as well, which is so like cheap, like really like affordable. When I say affordable, I mean cheaper than the other brands that we used to, Lenoir and all the others. But the smell is very, very fantastic. Smells great. So I got some pegs. I got various stuff for the house, more of a cleaning products really. And I did get some makeup at the end, if I'm not all like beauty products and stuff. Really affordable. They've got this brand there that I quite enjoy it, and I think it's great quality and it's very, very affordable. And so great skincare stuff in there for the low. I was really surprised to see the air fresheners, the plug-in ones, like really cheap for 150, and it's quite good. I bought two of them, and when I go back, definitely gonna grab some more. They're not, you know, they tend to be quite expensive, like £3.99, £4, even in home bargain. So I thought it was good value for money. Yes. I have got this habit of not grabbing a basket when I enter the store and things start falling down. I had to go and get one. If it's your first time here, guys, thank you so much. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and do press that notification button. As soon as I upload new video, you'll be notified. Thank you, guys. Guys, I enjoy to come here to buy my curtains and curtain poles and blankets, and oh look, just look at this cushion, this royal blue, fantastic. And look at the price, £4. I mean you can't go wrong shopping at Wilkinson. Yeah, great prices, guys, great prices. I hope you are enjoying shopping with me here, and you like and share my videos. Thank you. Guys, I would say if you just got your home, you just moved in somewhere, Wiko is the place to come and shop. I mean, they're not sponsoring me, I just like it and I love bargains. So, and I want to help my subscribers to find, you know, good quality products but at lowest price. And they've got quality products, things I find in Dormel and stuff like that, TK Maxx sometimes as well, and the quality is comparable, you know. My loves, I'll end here. Thank you so much for coming shopping with me at Wilkinson, and this is the one in Birmingham by Selly Oak. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'm heading to have a coffee. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. Juices.